Hello everyone, this is Antonio with Team Tiggio, and in this video, because this is a new year, this is second day of 2021, what I want to do is take my YouTube journey further. I have been monetized for YouTube and have been uploading videos, and I don't think that I'm making the type of revenue that I think I has the potential to make. I think that my channel has the potential to do a lot more. So it's time to do a channel audit, basically, because I want to see why some people channels are performing a lot better, but in my case, my channel is not performing as much as I want it to. So without further ado, I want to do a channel audit to see what changes I need to make as far as titles, thumbnails, descriptions, or even the type videos that I'm doing all together. So without further ado, let's go and look in the back end of my site. So I'm gonna go and click my icon. I'm gonna go to YouTube Studios. Oh, before I do that, let's go to let's click on your channel. All right, so now that I'm on your channel, very recently I changed. Oh, let me stop this. Very recently I changed the cover art on my page because I want to give a definition to the type of channel that I have. So basically, my channel, I'm saying, is branding, marketing, and inspirational tips. So those are the type videos I'm doing, and the type of because it say marketing, it's no limited to the type of marketing videos you can make, or even branding. So let's scroll down, and first of all, let's go into the YouTube Studio area. All right, any day now, because what I want to do is I want to see the type of numbers that my channel is getting, and let's see whatever I have to do to get myself on track. All right, so these are the recent videos that I'm doing, and in my opinion, all of these videos should be doing a lot better. So because I'm frustrated with my own channel, I need to see what do I need to do to kick it up a notch. All right, so let's click over here to content. And now that I'm in content, I do have a couple of videos that I will be putting out soon, but I want to see, for example, why this video is not performing as well as it should perform. So let's do an audit on this video. And for those that don't know, I am using Vidiq. If you want to use Vidiq to audit your channel, to be able to get some insight on the things that you need to do for your channel. So for example, I think one of the reasons why this video is not performing is good is because the thumbnail. I think I need to change the thumbnail. I don't think that is a captivating thumbnail. So that's the first thing I'm going to do on this channel. So I want to scroll down and I want to see what kind of performance. So off top, this video is receiving a score of 46.2 out of 50, which is a passing grade. Let me blow this up a little bit. All right, so channel tags, channel volume, keywords in the title. Across the board, these numbers are in green. So I need to see why this video is not performing as well. All right, so because I use Vidiq, I pay like $50 a month to use this, the software. they give me recommendations to the type of channel tags I need to use on this video. And that's what I'm actually doing. These are high ranking keywords that I'm using for every keyword. And like I said, when you optimize your videos, uh, I got 34 more videos I can do. So in my audit in the next 3 days, I'm gonna probably be editing and auditing a lot of videos so I can get them up there. All right, so I'm going in the back end on a lot of videos because I need to see why it's not performing. Right here, it says I only have 1 out of 9 in the checklist, which is not true because my checklist includes end screens and cards, and I have end screens and cards on this video. Maybe I need to increase the cards, but I'm thinking that it's the thumbnail that I need to change. So when you're doing an audit, you want to look at your the video details, which is the title. And for me, I know that it's not recommended by Vidiq. I use up every space in my title to give it uh, the pizzazz that I needed to have. All right, so let's go to another channel, another video, because I need to see why my videos are not performing. Let's go to this one. Now, because I do affiliate marketing as well, and I always like doing challenges on affiliate marketing because we're in a day and age where you need different type of revenue streams, and that's one reason why I'm taking YouTube very serious coming into a new year. So, for example, because I'm doing an audit, I think I'm at the limit. I'm at 100 over 100 for what I could put in the title. Um, I don't know if I need to revamp the title, if I need to change my thumbnail, but this video is not performing. In the checklist, it says that I have 2 out of 9 checklists, 4, 5, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5. So I'm doing all of the stuff that vidIQ is telling me to do, but I think I need to take it up a notch. And when you look at the checklist, let's see if we can look at the checklist. All right, so when you mouse down on the checklist, it's saying reply to a recent comment, make public, add it to a playlist, monetize enabled, closed captions mutual, at least 1 end screen. So automatically, sometimes I think it's something wrong with vidIQ sometimes because that's not true. I did respond to a comment. The video is public. As you can see, it is public. And it's a part of the playlist. Scroll down. Matter of fact, it's a part of 2's playlist. Make money with Fiverr and ClickBank. So, like I said, I think there's something wrong with that, and this is the reason why I'm doing the audit, or because, for example, somebody had similar content, and I'm sitting at 65 views, but they had 29.4. So I'm thinking that I may need to change up this thumbnail. Maybe the thumbnail is too wordy. I'm not sure, but I'm definitely going to figure out what's going on. Maybe I need to make ClickBank bigger so people can see that it's bigger. Let me go back. Maybe people need to see that it's bigger. But definitely, all right, here's another video that's not performing very well. And a lot of times when I'm doing my videos, I go honestly and I look at people who have done videos similar content. Although I don't plagiarize anybody's content, I just want to see the similar content that they're using to see if I'm on the right track. And when I do that, I see that their videos perform a lot better than mine. So I always want to know why. Why do YouTube recommend some people with similar content but don't recommend others? Some of my videos are doing very well, but some of them are not. So right now, because I'm using vidIQ, and if you like to use vidIQ, I'll leave a link in the description so you can start using vidIQ yourself. I honestly think that is a good platform to use. I mean, a good software to use to monitor your channel, but it's definitely something necessary. So now when I do an audit on this video, I can't complain because right now it's saying that out of 5 out of 9 on the checklist is done. And let's see what it say I didn't do. I didn't add any closed captions, and it says I didn't add it to a playlist, and I didn't reply to a comment. All right, so my score is 49.3 out of 100. So that means that I got work to do on this video itself. All right, clearly this video is in the playlist, social media marketing, and in Team Tiggio, because I put most of my videos into 2 playlists. Because don't get it twisted, playlists the because YouTube is the second largest search engine, which is sister to a sister company to Google. Keywords is very important. So even keywords in your playlist is important, because if your channel gets, the larger your channel get, you can do a search for sometimes the keywords that of your playlist, and it may populate. So that's why the reason why I definitely keep my videos and keywords. So now with vidIQ, they recommend that you have your keywords that you use is 50 or better. So most of my keywords are 50 or better, but some of them is this, like this one is 38.5. This one here is a 30.8. Let's just click on the keyword. Let's see what happens. And basically, it's giving me recommendations of keywords that I may be able to swap out. All right, so now let's go to analytics, because you can't do an audit on a channel without looking at the analytics. So let's see how my channel performed. And any number that I see, in my mind, it should have been better. All right, I'm clicking on the analytics of this video. This video's got 39 views since it was published, and I only made 5 cents. I earned 1 subscriber, and watch time 6.7. So basically 6 minutes, close to almost 7 minutes on this video, out of a video that's 19 minutes. That means that I got work to do, people. I have work to do. This video didn't perform well at all. So it's best just to not just to blindly put up videos. Sometimes you got to go back, and you definitely have to look at the analytics. So let's look at the analytics on my channel as a whole. So in the last 28 days, your channel got 3,605 views. In the last 28 days, it says I lost 157 subscribers, and I made 54.774 revenue. That means that I have work to do, people. I have work to do. Do I think that I can get my numbers back up and surpass whatever I lost? Absolutely. I definitely will. So in this video, I just wanted to show you and do a channel audit, just to show you all of the things that I need to do as a channel to make it better. And I think that if you go back and look at your videos, because a lot of us get frustrated and say, "What I see Tom, Dick, and Hank or Sarah, why they're making thousands of dollars a month, and they treating YouTube as a business. They was able to quit their full-time job and just focus on their channel." That's because they went to the meat and potatoes of their channel. They clicked on these things in the back end. YouTube don't just put it there for fun. If you want to run this as a business, then run it as a business and don't play with it. I lost a lot of subscribers in the last 28 days. My channel is flatlining, and I got to figure out why. So in this video, I just want to show you and challenge myself to gain all of those subscribers back, and to take in that $54 to put some zeros behind that 54. So in the last 28 days, I wanted to say I made $5,500. And that's what I'm challenging myself to do, because honestly, I think I got the know-how and the pizzazz to do it. And I just want to do a channel audit to show you. Do a channel audit on yours. Do the same things I'm doing. Look at your thumbnails. Look at the keywords. Look at the title. Look at the description. Those matter, people. Those matter. Don't think that they don't matter. Google wouldn't recommend them. I mean, not Google. Yahoo won't recommend them if they didn't matter. So once again in this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Tell me your goals for your channel so we can have a back and forth conversation. I always will respond, because I think wholeheartedly that I will do everything in my power to make this channel grow. So the next channel audit video I do, I want to have some zeros, some more zeros behind that 54, so I can make a lot more money with my channel. So once again, this is Antonio with Team Tiggio, and I will see you next time.